have 4 lakh friends, then you definitely will love giving them gifts and making them happy. So today I want to present to you Lin-Aidipet's colorful and multifunctional ADC25 color, which is made of high quality materials. It switches on via Bluetooth, for which you need to download Lin-Aidipet app. With the help of this app, you can insert any type of text and choose the speed it moves at. I personally write my phone number on it, as my dog is very active and it gets lost very often. I love this color very much and I hope you'll enjoy it too.